Calvin, man. This nigga, man. Hey, what's up, baby?
Oh, what's good? What's good? What's going on, man?
Hey, yo, come on, man. Make yourself at home, my nigga. Close the door, man. Don't be rude. Come on, man. It's Jesus home. You good?
Yeah, man.
How you been?
Chilling, bro.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Yo, I miss you, dog.
Hey, man.
Hey, yo, I feel you. Yo, hey, how was it, man? How was it?
Appreciate you, bro.
Hey, you want anything to eat?
Yeah, man. I'm kind of hungry, man.
Alright, yeah, I got some. Give me 1 second. Hey, matter of fact, you want what the fuck? Yo, how the fuck did you get over here? Nigga, didn't I tell you I was gonna get you something?
You told me to make myself a home.
But yo, how did you get from here to over there? And I scientifically what the Yo, how you keep doing that?
Still, I forgot my drink.
That makes no... Yo, can you stop doing that, bro? How the hell are you... Nigga, just go away to my room. Just go away to my room.
To make myself comfortable.
Niggas, man. Damn. Yo, man, when I told you make yourself at home, I didn't mean what? The fuck.
You told me to be comfortable.
I told you to get comfortable, not eat my bread and fuck my bed, my nigga. And how the fuck you keep doing that?
Doing what?
What the fuck every time? What is this nigga majestic?
What is this? Tasty. You pork spring?
Is this nigga? Yo! I've been looking everywhere for you, my nigga. Why you got my toothbrush, bro?
Yeah, you got a new toothbrush.
Get the fuck out. Get out! Get out my house! Nigga, ain't nobody miss you no more. Every time. You fucking magician or something? Move, nigga. Get out. Get out. Punch that nigga. Get out my house. Fucking niggas, man. Shit, he got my robe. You stay right here. Last time I let any niggas in my house, swear to God. Swear to God, this nigga, he gonna brush with my toothbrush, nigga? Give me my robe. Give me my robe. Now, nigga. And he's naked. He's naked under my robe. His ball juice all over him. Take your shit, nigga. Move. Don't ever come back.
What do you want me to spit this?
I don't care. Hate niggas, man.
This is disgusting. Oh.
Go home.
Oh.